Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to share with you. We are going to take you through how we made a 10,000 rupees in the grasim industry in just 50 minutes of trading. At morning 9:18, we found Grasim Industries on our website showing good momentum. We checked the 15 minutes time frame and identified a resistance level. We also noticed that the stock had been consolidating for a few days. This was a crucial signal for us, and we marked it right away. To confirm our entry, we switched to the 1-minute chart. After observing the price crossing the resistance, it initially started to dip. But we hesitated to take the trade at this point because the risk-reward ratio didn't favor us. The potential loss seemed to outweigh the potential gain at more than 1%. So, we decided to be patient and wait for the right opportunity. After some time, the stock retraced. It was when the price broke below the lower low that we finally made our move. We entered the trade at 1989 with a quantity of 628 shares. As the stock began to fall, it eventually reached a point of consolidation. During this consolidation phase, we had our second chance to exit the trade and we exited there. However, we noticed something important. The stock broke below the consolidation low. Our focus is always on risk management. No matter how attractive the potential reward may seem, our risk should be well under control. We aim for a minimum risk-reward ratio of 1:2. It's crucial to be risk conscious, as too much risk can jeopardize your capital, even if your analysis is right. We prioritize capital protection above all else. And that's how we made it happen today. We stayed patient, managed our risk, and seized the right opportunity. In just 50 minutes, we closed the trade before 10:30, and here are our orders. We bought at 9:22 a.m. and sold at 10:12 a.m., securing a substantial profit of 10,000 rupees in the grasim industry. This is a perfect example of how effective intraday trading can be when done with the right strategy and discipline. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this trade breakdown was insightful and inspiring for your own trading journey. Remember, patience, risk management, and the right timing can make all the difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Until next time, happy trading, and stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of finance. If you want to learn more about intraday trading, please visit our website or subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you are looking for a reliable broker for intraday trading, check out our recommended broker list. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research before making any trading decisions.